Rishi Agarwal, a student of PACE Junior Science College, would like to thank Tyagi Sir and the entire team of PACE. The study material, the regular test series carried out helped me a lot for my preparation for JEE. The teachers, the management, everyone was very helpful throughout my journey. I would like to owe my entire success to PACE only. The teachers were easily available. Whenever I had doubts, I could approach them without any hesitation, and I could call them, I could message them whenever I felt like. I would recommend every student preparing for JEE to join PACE.
I am Agarwal, Rishi Agarwal's father. When Rishi completed class 10 exams, we were thinking, where should Rishi go for his higher studies? And accidentally we came across someone where we used to do yoga together, and this person actually mentioned about PACE. We really liked he shared his experience with us, and we thought it's worth exploring, going to PACE and find out what exactly PACE has to offer. We approached PACE and we approached a couple of other institutes as well, and then of course we came across whatever the process is. We found that okay, there is an admission test, or Rishi appeared for that, and Rishi did well. PACE offered scholarship, and it was a very easy decision for us. Although both of us debated a lot and we thought we should explore a few others, but Rishi's mother was very clear in her mind, and she thought, we stay near Shivaji Park, PACE Dagar is very close by, and I am quite happy, and we need not bother too much about it. Let's go ahead. And we took a call, and Rishi, we've completed the admission formalities. And after Rishi joined PACE, especially for me, I just completely got, I had no concerns in my mind, frankly, and this is a very honest opinion. I was fully relaxed. I could make out that PACE has a very well-structured approach, and they know what is to be done. Kid also settled down quite well there, so I never actually got into technical issues, in terms of what should Rishi do, how the classes are going on, is he doing his studies properly. These questions never bothered me, and things kept on moving pretty smoothly, and Rishi also kept on doing well. I'll just stop here a bit. I'll maybe ask Vandana to speak a few words, and then maybe again I'll come back.
Yeah, I'm very happy with PACE, the whole team, teaching staff, administration. They took care of Rishi a lot, his each and every concern, whatever he wanted or he needed. It was very easily available. All the teachers were easily approachable, and they were very down to earth. So Rishi never had that kind of hesitation to how to approach and how to get his questions and queries cleared. So that way it helped him a lot, and whole of his success, PACE is behind his success, so there's no doubt about it.
And today, we feel we really took the right decision.
Yes.
In terms of choosing PACE. The output is in front of everyone. Of course, the student gets the credit for putting all the hard work, but of course the institute gets the credit for creating an enabling environment, providing right set of teachers, mentors, giving guidance at the right time, always hand-holding the student. Whenever I have seen situations, we reached out to people in PACE that these two chapters, for example, are still needed to be attended, and immediate reaction would be, okay, please send your son on so and so day and we'll take care. And that was the type of response we got, and that actually relaxed us. And today we are really, really happy with our decision.
Yes, one more point I would like to mention. They were always on their toes, but they were not under stress. That I loved about it.
We owe Rishi's entire success to PACE only. Thank you.